This is where everything went left. And it just melts into the skin. Can I use these two together? Ooh. What else do we got? What else? What else? What else? Okay. All right. Sorry, y'all. I had to make sure. Okay. This is my first time filming with this lens. Y'all, I broke the lens on my camera the other day. So thankfully, I was able to get a new one. And this is a different one. So I'm hoping it looks, I mean, from the looks of it, I feel like it looks good. But I got to see what it looks like on my computer, like when I can really see it. Because right now, I'm like this small. But anyway, yes, girl, we got a new lens, thankfully. And today, we are doing a haul. We are doing a Sephora haul. So I have gone in Sephora a total of maybe 3 times between the last 2 weeks. First time I went there because I actually had a reason to go in there. I went in there for the Belief sunscreen and another toner. I went in there, saw that they sold out of the Belief sunscreen, so I ended up getting the Peter Thomas Roth sunscreen. And I got the Glow Recipe toner. So I did like a whole little run errands with me type of situation on my TikTok. So you guys probably saw that if you follow me on TikTok. But I don't have those in the bag. They're already in the bathroom upstairs. But today I'm going to show you what I picked up inside Sephora and also a couple of things that I ordered online. So I just combined everything and threw it in the bag. So a couple of these are repurchases, and then I have like some new products that I want to try out. So first thing I'm going to pull out is something I want to go ahead and put on my face. The new Dior blush. This is the Rosy Glow blush in the shade Mahogany. Y'all, they have new shades. Finally, they have new shades in this blush. Y'all know the first 2 blushes they had, like they have the pink one, which I love, and they have the coral one, which I've never tried, but these are supposed to be more pigmented, and I will say they are 100% more pigmented than the original blushes. So I've already tried this on with you guys. I did a YouTube short. But if you guys don't watch YouTube shorts, I will go ahead and try it on again with you guys. Y'all, this is where everything went left. When I was trying this on, because I was vlogging. That day I was trying this out for you guys. I was vlogging and I was also filming for TikTok. So I was trying to do, you know, trying to multitask. I had you guys set up on the little table I was filming on, and y'all fell to the ground. Y'all, when I say y'all hit the ground hard, when I mean y'all, I mean the camera. But y'all hit the ground so hard, it hit the wall, and there's like a big mark, a black mark on the wall. And the lens broke. So yeah, but we are back. But anyway, oh, let me show you. This is what Mahogany looks like. Gorgeous color, you guys. So freaking pretty and pigmented. So pigmented. Look at that. I'll do a swatch because y'all love the swatches, but I don't have any blush on today. I just have on bronzer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on so y'all can see. With this, you don't need a lot of it. So I just like to press it, tap it into my skin like this, and it just melts into the skin, and it melts into the bronzer that I already have on. Like, originally I wanted to get Berry, and they still don't have that in store. They don't even have these online yet, but I called Sephora before going in store because I know some stores were getting it, and I didn't want to make a trip for nothing. So I called them to see if they had the new blushes in stock, and they did. And when I went in there, they didn't even have them on display. They were still in the back. But when I called, the lady said that she would hold it for me because I asked her, did she have Berry? And she said she didn't. I said, well, I'll just get Mahogany if you have that one. And she said she did, and she'll just hold it for me. And I could just pick it up. But look how pretty that looks. Yeah, you really don't need much. I honestly feel like if I'm gonna wear this, I don't need to put bronzer on the side of my face because it kind of acts as a bronzer in a way. So yeah, if I'm gonna wear this blush, I will just put the bronzer on the forehead and not the side of my face, just the blush itself. But really pretty. Love that. But yeah, went in store to pick it up. So if your Sephora doesn't have them, if your Sephora don't have the new shades, I'd say just call them or just ask about it, the new shades. Maybe they already have them. They're just in the back. So yeah, just you know, do that. But anyway, and I don't even know when they're gonna put them on the website. So I don't have any of that information. Anyway, we have a new mascara. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I literally just got this at the door yesterday. But I know they sell this on Sephora, and I looked it up on Sephora. It's not gonna be on there. Well, it's on there right now, but it's not gonna be available until the 25th, 6th, one of those days. It'll tell you when you look it up on Sephora. But this is the LYS Beauty Lash Confidence Mascara. So they're coming out with a mascara. I honestly feel like by the time this haul go up on my channel, it's gonna be available. I don't know, but anyway, they have a new mascara. Look how pretty the tube is. Let's open it to see the, okay, so the wand curves. Looks pretty good. Excited about that. I love the tube, it's really cute. So that's that. Okay, so repurchase. I got another one of my Herbivore Prism AHA and BHA Exfoliating Glow Serum. If you guys remember me using this serum, I used this with the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Moisturizer. Them two together, perfection. Perfection. But I have another moisturizer that I'm using, so I don't want to purchase another, you know, the Glow Recipe moisturizer to use because I need to go through the products that I already have. But if you are looking for a serum that's going to really smooth out your skin and help with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, texture, this right here is it. This is it. And you guys know I've been talking about how my face has been breaking out. So this is just going to really help with clearing up, you know, any spots from the breakout, because I'm about to run out of the products that I'm currently using to help with that. So I want to start back using this. And yeah, so telling y'all, if you're, you know, wanting a new serum, get this one because it's really, really good. It's worth it. 100% worth it in my opinion. So Glow Recipe has, well, this is a repurchase too. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. They don't have, well, they probably still have it in the pump, but I see that they have the squeeze tube. Cause I'm not even gonna lie, the one in the, let me put this down here. The one that came in the pump, when it was getting low, it was kind of hard to get the product out. So I'm glad that they repackaged it. So yeah, I had to get me another one of these because this is a really good body lotion. And I also wanted to try this out. This was actually a recommendation. This is the Pink Drink Firming Resurfacing Essence. So I was recommended this product. Definitely want to finish up the products I'm using right now because I'm literally almost done with them before jumping into this. But yeah, this is pretty much an essence. You just spray it on your face. I was told if you have sensitive skin, now I don't know you guys, I'm gonna have to try it for myself, but I was told that if you have sensitive skin, this is a really good essence to use on the skin. Let me clear out my freaking card because I forgot to do that. I'll be back. Okay, we back. I was talking about the essence. Sunday Riley. I didn't even tell y'all the brand. Sunday Riley. I just said the pink drink essence. It's by Sunday Riley. Everything's gonna be down there in the description for you guys. Okay, so I wanted to try out, this is another recommendation. So I'll be getting recommendations on, what is it? What's that app? Lemon8. And this is the Innisfree Dewy Glow Jelly Cream Moisturizer. So it's just a really dewy moisturizer. And I like that. I like a good dewy moisturizer, especially if it's a lightweight moisturizer. So I was told that this was a really good one. So I'm definitely gonna try this. So I'm gonna use this with my Herbivore serum. And I'm also going to be using, I just realized, y'all, I did not plan this. I swear to y'all, I did not. I just realized these products are pink. And y'all know that's my favorite color. But anyway, I want to use this in a whole routine. This moisturizer, the serum. Can I use these two together? Ooh. You know some ingredients you can't mix together. I don't know. I'll check into it, but I think this will be a good little routine to do. New little, you know, skincare routine. But yeah, got that moisturizer. And I also, y'all, Amicole. I was waiting on this thing. This is the Amicole Lip Treatment Oil in a new shade, y'all. This color is beautiful. It is so, I'm so dramatic. But it's so pretty. It is pretty. Look at this color, y'all. It's a bronze, glowy, golden type of, it's so freaking pretty. This looks exactly like the Kevyn Aucoin lip gloss in the shade Honey. I think it was called Honey. Or, y'all remember the Kevyn Aucoin glosses? They literally call it the gloss. And they had a color just like this, which I still have, but it's discontinued. And it looks exactly like it, y'all. The color is, oh, this focus is bomb. But anyway, the color is so pretty. I'm gonna put some on the lips. I have on, what do I have on today? Oh, the Makeup by Mario lip color in the shade Nude. The nude one, but I'm gonna put this on my lips on top of it. I don't wanna mess up the applicator. I'm just gonna use my finger and put it on. Oh my gosh, did y'all see that? Let me do it again. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, it's so pretty. I'll definitely be able to see the color a little bit more if I just put it on by itself, like with nothing else on the lips. I'll see more of the golden bronzy color, but such a pretty color. They have a clear one, they have a pink one, and they also have a really pretty brown one, which was their original one. But yeah, they're the lip treatment oils. They feel like a gloss. I know they call them their lip oils, but if y'all ever tried the MAC lip gloss, they remind me of the MAC lip gloss. Maybe it's just me. Let me know if you have these, and if you have the MAC lip gloss, let me know if you think the same. And they have a sugary scent to them. Honestly, it smells just like MAC lip gloss. Oh, so good. But yeah, I was excited for this color. It is so cute. Real cute. What is it called? 517. And it literally came out on 517. Yeah, so that's that. And what else do we got? What else? We got, oh, okay, this, I wasn't even gonna get this, but it kind of sort of went viral on TikTok. So it's the YSL Candy Glaze Lipstick / gloss. I don't know, it goes on really glossy. Yeah, Healthy Glow Plumper, All Day Nourish and Restore. I got the shade number 2. Something that I could throw on and go. This is, it's like a clear pink. Doesn't really have a smell. I don't smell anything. Let me just show you the swatch of it. It's supposed to be like really glossy, yeah, on the lips. And yeah, I have only owned one lipstick from YSL years ago, and it came in the limited edition packaging for Valentine's Day, which I still have because I don't want to get rid of it. But that was the only lip product I've ever gotten from YSL. I like their mascara, but I never tried any of their, you know, lip products. So I'm excited to have that. And the last 2 products I have, I had to get me some more of these. So this is the product I purchased online. Shiseido cotton wipes. I've been looking for these in my TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and they don't have them. I know they're way cheaper in TJ Maxx and in Marshalls or Home Goods, but I can never find them in mine. So I just went ahead and got them because these are literally the best cotton wipes I've ever tried. Like the best. And then the last thing I got, so look y'all, Fenty cleanser, the makeup melt cleanser, and the mascara. I've never tried the mascara, the new mascara that they came out with, and I love the cleanser. And I just thought this cleanser was like the cutest thing ever. Perfect for travel. Look how cute and tiny it is. perfect little travel essential. But I really wanted to try out the mascara, so I was happy that it came with this cleanser. I mean, obviously you get this, you can purchase this separately, but I was happy to see this little set. But yeah, the new Fenty Mascara. I definitely want to try this out because I hear good things about it. So, but that's it, girl. That is everything I got from Sephora recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Let me know if you tried any of these products. If you have, what product is it? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let's talk about it down below in the comments. And I also want to know, have you shopped at Sephora lately? If you have, what have you picked up? Because I'm nosy. I'm very nosy. I want to know, what is that product that you've recently picked up from Sephora? Let us know in the comments. But that's it, girl. Thank you so much for hanging out with me while I shared this little haul. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. I'll do my thumbnail. Let's do the thumbnail.